Hi there, it's Tim, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with a Levy Electric Scooter. Thank you to Levy for sending me up the scooter, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you to all the people who leave comments and are watching these videos. Levy were happy to send this up to me because you guys were interested in seeing this particular scooter. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to do the unboxing now, show you what it looks like, and then future videos I'm going to be doing a review video of this scooter and a comparison video as well. So trusty X-Acto knife. Levy are all the way in New York and I'm here in Canada, and they were kind enough to send it all the way up. Nice big box. Alrighty, I'm just going to show it inside. We've got a really nice box. I'm going to pull this one out. Perfect. I'll scoot that off to the side. Yeah, so this is going to be a last mile solution. And inside, I'm going to get, thank you to Melissa for filming this. I'm just going to ask her to come a little closer so you guys can see inside. And so we've got nice styrofoam inside, up top. I'm going to guess it's the charger, but let's have a look. Oh, handlebars, charger, an adapter for pumping up the tires, and looks like an Allen key and instructions on what to do and how to put it together. So I'll put that aside. And let's lift this guy out. Oops. What I am going to make sure I don't do is turn it on inside the studio here, because I have done that in the past. I'm going to show you that video. For your brakes and your...
Whoops. It goes.
That almost put a hole in the wall behind me, so... Alright, so this is the scooter. I'm going to put the kickstand down. Lock it up. Oh, nice. Okay. And there's a nice little plastic attachment here for locking it all down. And I'm going to open this up. Looks like that's being put on there. Looks like the brake. And why would we do this? I'm going to change the angle. So these just screw in. And it looks like I'm going to need to tighten this up, but they've provided a nice little Allen key. I'll just try to rotate this so Melissa can see. That's it for that. So that's nice and tight. So what I have here is a 350 watt little motor, and that's located at the front. And I have a single brake at the back, and that's actually a disc brake. Let me just rotate this and I'll show you that. Disc brake at the back. I believe these are 8.5-inch tires. As I mentioned, the motor's at the front, 350 watts, peak out at 700 watts, and it's got a short range, so it's a last mile type vehicle. It's got a very small battery, and it has a range of about 10 miles when you're riding it on eco mode. But what I'm going to do, because of the style of motor and the size of it and the weight tops out at about 225 pounds for rider weight. I'm going to invite probably Melissa or Liam or one of the people that helped me make these videos and we'll do a proper review coming up. So come on over here and I'll show you what's happening here. So I've turned on the power, and there's a power button. Looks like this is the yeah, that's the power for it. It looks like I've got different modes. So I think it's also got the integrated bell. I like that. At the front here, you can also see the there's like a bag clip here, I think, or yeah, I think that's probably what you do. Hang a bag on there if you're going grocery shopping or what have you. But one of the really intriguing things about the Levy is this. Click the button, lift it up, and there's a little piece in here that I can remove, I think. Oops. Oh, there it is, all the way. Just gonna twist all the way. And what you'll see here is a battery. I can actually lift this right out and replace it. So what you can do with Levy is actually buy another battery. So if you get somewhere, you work, what have you, and you'd like to have one at work or have one at home, take it upstairs with you, what have you, you can actually buy a second battery, doubling your range. I think that's really cool. I'll turn it back on here. And the brake feels really sturdy, very solid. Yeah, this looks like a really nice machine. I'm really looking forward to taking it out on the roads and doing a proper and thorough review of it. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you're subscribed and like the video if you don't mind. If you are subscribed, then hopefully you'll get the notification that the review video for the Levy is available. And thanks again to Levy for sending me up this demo. And if there are other scooters that you think that I should be reviewing, put those down in the show notes and I'll make sure I reach out to them too. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Stay safe.